Ready when you are.
Hello, I'm Don Barry with Local Choice Heating and Air Conditioning in Northglenn, Colorado. And I want to show you a couple of different filter options that you may find in your home, depending on the type of system that you have. This guy here is your standard pleated filter. It's 1 inch in thickness. It's probably the most common style filter that's recommended by most HVAC companies and that you'll find in the store. This filter here, generally they run $5 to $15 depending on MERV rating. In Colorado, it's real important to remember our airflow is real important. Well, it's always important, but in Colorado, with our lack of oxygen and pressure in Colorado, we need more airflow than you would at sea level. So usually MERV 4 through 8 is something acceptable. The MERV 4 is going to be closer to the standard fiberglass style. This really isn't going to help the occupants of the house much, but it's definitely going to save the equipment from getting debris in it. This is only going to be used in times where your house is under construction or something you want to replace in a lot. This style here, this is a washable filter that you'll find generally in most of your electric air cleaners. And this one here, you can pull out, scrub it in the kitchen sink, and put it back in. It'll dry off very quickly. It's made out of a metal mesh in here. The next on our list here is the media filters, and they're becoming a lot more popular. So this is a standard Honeywell here. It's a 16 by 25 by 1. And if you have a filter box that you've seen on some of our other videos, these will also fit in those filter boxes. So you can use a 1 inch filter like these guys here, or you can use something that has more surface area like a media filter. And then finally over here, another common style is the Aprilaire type media filters. These are real neat because they're small and compact. You can store a bunch next to the furnace, and they have a tremendous amount of surface area in them. These are advertised at once a year filter changes. We always recommend checking them every 6 months or so. But any one of these filters will do your system okay. Obviously, the more surface area you have, the more junk it's going to catch.